All right, here we are. We're at the Lake Fork trailhead. We're starting our Whitetail Peak trip. It's about a 25-mile round trip and about 5,500 feet elevation gain total. All right, here we are. We made it to the bridge. We're about 5.5 miles in. We've been hiking for what, about an hour and a half? Hour and a half? 45. Hour and 45 minutes. 5.5 miles, so we're cruising pretty good. We've got the steep section of the hike coming up here. The next 2 miles are going to be pretty brutal, but if you look up there. All right, give you a little update here. We're at the junction for Kaiser Brown, which is to the left here, and then September Morn and Sundance Pass to the right, which is where we're going. Getting ready to do our first stream crossing of the trip. Got a pretty good sized cascade coming down the hill there. Alright, little update here. We're hoping, probably about a half mile from our base camp at September Morn. We're starting to get up pretty high in elevation, so we got to be getting pretty close. We're looking down, there's the first rock lake, second rock lake. There's our peak right there. There's Whitetail Peak just poking out. You can just see the top of it there. And then over here, we've got another 12er. There's Castle Mountain. And then we have Beartooth Mountain that's just starting to poke through on the other side of this rock right here. Here we are, 3 hours and 40 minutes. We've made it to base camp. We're at September Morn Lake. Give you a little view here. That's the direction we came from over there. There's the lake. And that's the direction we're heading, up to Sundance Pass and Whitetail Peak. Well, here we are. It's morning of day number 2, summit day. It's about 4:30 in the morning. We're getting some breakfast before we take off from camp. Looks like we got fairly clear skies so far, so hopefully the weather will cooperate for us. 5:43 a.m. and it's time to leave camp. We're going to make our way to Sundance Pass and Whitetail Peak. Well, there you have it. There's our first view of Sundance Pass. Kind of all the way up at the top there where the saddle is, where that snow is. That's what we'll be climbing up. Climb up that pass. Should be able to get up over that snow, and then we'll head left all the way to that ridge line, and then whitetails on the other side, out of view right now. There's the valley we came from. Pass is way up there over the snow. Trail goes that way, doesn't it? Trail goes that way more. You're gonna gas your legs out doing that. Oh, we're getting pretty close to the top of the pass here. We're right about an hour in from base camp. There's some ice on the ground here. All frozen over. Look at that. Trail here. This is cut right there. There's the trail. Now we're approaching the top of the pass here, Sundance Pass. There's Whitetail Peak. Castle Mountain back there. Man, I don't know how you climb that snow couloir. Look how steep that is. You can see our ridgeline we need to make. The snow is kind of. Okay, starting our climb. Climbing our initial saddle above the pass here. This is our ridge line. We're gonna have to go up right over here. Looks pretty narrow, but doable. Yeah, well, let's go left of Lockhart, and then we'll just aim for that rock formation. Take the easiest route, lowest route we can. Start turning some class 3 already. Oh my goodness, that's a big rock and it moved. Well, we're almost to the summit of Mount Lockhart, which we're gonna traverse just to the left of it. Saddle there. And then we should drop down quite a bit and then hit our main ridge line and hopefully be on Whitetail by then. Pretty good exposure around here. Nothing too crazy though.